how do I use my RMDs? I often get the question of how do I use my RMDs? Well, what is an RMD? An RMD is a required minimum distribution. The government, through the Secure Act, has extended or increased the age to 72. It used to be 70 and a half, but now it's age 72. But the question I often get is, Roy, if I don't need this money, what do I do with these extra funds? So one of the best things that can be done is actually taking those dollars and investing in a life insurance product. You're actually going to be able to leverage your own dollars so you can pass on more to your heirs. So that's required minimum distributions. You're taking that each and every year, funding life insurance. It provides a tax-free death benefit, provides a legacy for your heirs or for your spouse. But if your spouse doesn't use it, again, it goes on to your sons, daughters, grandkids, whatever it may be. But that's one way of doing it. The other way is actually just reinvesting it. If you're wanting to reinvest it safely, you can use fixed annuities or fixed indexed annuities. If you don't mind taking on some risk, you can still be in the market and invest those monies into the market. But again, as you get older, you should be taking on less and less risk. You just have to be insurable. If you're insurable, you can get a policy, have that policy provide more for your heirs. You can also even do what's called a second to die, which is actually insuring both you and your spouse. And because it's on two lives, the cost of that policy is actually a lot less. It's not meant to pay out on the first death, it's meant to pay out on the second death. So trying to maximize those dollars, that's also another alternative.